What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to create a USB install drive for macOS High Sierra. And really, you could use this for any OS that you're able to download. So the first step is to open up the App Store and download the installer for macOS High Sierra. So we have it here on their homepage. And I'm just going to start the download. So once your download is finished, you should see this window pop up and you can just close out of it. Next, you're going to want to open up a terminal window. And you'll just bring this over here on the left side of your screen. Now, you're going to open a Finder window and head over to Applications. And you're going to look for the installer for the OS. Here it is, Install macOS High Sierra. Now you want to right-click, Show Package Contents, open the contents, and open Resources. Great. Now, in the terminal window, you want to type sudo space. Now head back into the resources folder and find the create install media. Now you're just going to click on that and drag it into your terminal window. Now you want to go back into terminal and type --volume space. Now you want to make sure that you have your USB drive connected. Now this should be at least 8 gigs in size, and you want to make sure that there's nothing important on it, because in order to write over the drive, you're going to have to clear everything that's on it. So make sure there's no important documents on that USB drive. Now you can see that we have this drive I've labeled boot, and it's right here on my desktop. I've just plugged it in. So you'll drag the USB volume into your Finder window, and then you'll type --application path space. Now you want to head back to your applications window and search for that installer and drag the entire installer into your terminal window. Now, in your terminal, hit enter. Now it's going to ask for your password, so you'll type the administrator password. And one thing that's important, I just typed it and nothing showed up. That's how it goes. It's just a security thing. So type it in, you won't see anything show up under the password option. And then you're going to want to go ahead and hit enter. Now it's going to ask if you're ready to start. All you have to do is hit Y and then enter. And now it'll erase the disk on your USB. And it's going to go ahead and copy over the installer to this disk. And you can see up at the top that now my drive that said boot before says install macOS High Sierra. Now, a word of warning, this will take a little bit of time, so have some patience with it. Now, when you want to install this on a computer, all you have to do is restart or boot up the computer with the drive connected and hold down the Option key. Then you'll be able to boot up from that drive. So guys, I hope this helped you. Thanks for coming out and checking out the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next one. Thanks, guys.